Hello everyone, let's prove this trigonometric identity together. So we have tan theta here. Remember, tan theta is sine theta divided by cos theta. Right, and then the division line which separates the fractions, most of the times I make it longer so that I can see what is happening there. Right, now we have tan squared theta plus 1, and tan squared theta is sine squared theta over cos squared theta plus 1. And then 1 is like 1 over 1. And then it's equal to sine theta times cos theta. Right, always write your left-hand side and right-hand side. This is an identity. We're just proving that the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side. Right, and then now we can work with the numerator here. 1 over 1, the common denominator for 1 and cos squared theta is cos squared theta. So it becomes sine theta over cos theta divided by sine squared theta over cos squared theta plus cos squared theta over cos squared theta. So we know that our LCD is cos squared theta. So we multiply the denominator by cos squared theta. We multiply the numerator by cos squared theta. This is equal to sine theta times cos theta. Right, now our denominator is the same here, so we can add the numerators. So sine theta divided by cos theta, this whole fraction divided by sine squared theta plus cos squared theta divided by cos squared theta is equal to sine theta cos theta. Right, and then the other thing that I usually do, I write my fractions like this so that I can see things clearly. So I just say sine theta over cos theta divided by, I know this is an identity. We're going to talk about it just now. This is an identity. Divided by sine squared theta plus cos squared theta over cos squared theta. And then remember, when you're dividing, you tip and times. When you're dividing fractions, you tip and times. But let's change this identity first before we do anything. So it's sine theta equals to right hand side sine theta times cos theta. Right here is going to be sine theta divided by cos theta, then divided by 1 over cos squared theta. This is equal to 1. And then now let's tip and times. So it's going to be, before we tip and times, just write the right hand side cos theta. Then let's tip and times sine theta over cos theta times cos squared theta over 1. Right, remember, when you're doing these calculations on your own, you can make it even shorter than this. I'm just trying to accommodate everyone here. Right, and then cos squared theta can be written as cos theta times cos theta. So sine theta over cos theta times cos theta times cos theta over 1. Then cos theta divided by cos theta is 1. So what do we remain with? Okay, so we remain with sine theta times cos theta. You see that? So this is sine theta times cos theta, which is equal to also sine theta times cos theta. You see that? We have proved an identity. This is an identity. Therefore, the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side. You see, we mainly worked on the left-hand side only. But in the previous one, remember, we worked on both sides. Okay, this is how you prove the identity. We're going to meet when you do the next question.